If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Valorant, there are several steps you can take to improve your situation. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games that could interfere with your connection. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency, which can help reduce connection errors while playing. Step 4. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce ping and improve connection stability. Go to the game settings and select a server that offers better performance for you. Step 5. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Check the manufacturer's website for your network adapter and download the latest drivers to improve performance. By following these steps, you can enhance your connection stability in Valorant and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.